I collect iPhone, I can't do swap for him. I collect iPhone, see what he hold for hand here now.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't collect it. You don't balance now. Now you're trying to explain given. People say no, sabi do swap.
I know too understand.
He can't collect phone.
He give me Android.
Go ask your grandfather.
You don't balance. Plus, you know sabi do swap for this area. Now what for you?
Now only once around do.
The first time when they do this, you don't balance now.
As far as saying don't give you.
See money where they in hand. See phone where they there. You don't balance. You understand now? You don't say you new for this area.
Now what for you, bro?
They don't balance.
You don't balance. Everything don't balance.
You don't balance.
You don't give you.
I am now my brother.
Give you.
I am now we go do business now.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Modo. Half of my dad. What did happen? This is why you did like this.
More give it to Apple here now. Still the processor. Now I don't understand.
Let's be that.
One man come here with me carry iPhone 12 Pro Max. Say one do phone swap. Give me this button phone. Don't give me 10,000.
iPhone. How much? How much you go for hand there?
10,000 naira be this.
Oh, make I see.
No.
I mean, when before when you take swap now, if you don't give another one. If you want I don't job you now. You fuck up.
Give me 10,000.
You're supposed to be my guy. How you go just jump like this now? Nothing be this. They don't give you phone. They don't even give you better money. You still money. They don't job you. I mean, when they sit there, you go rush them. I beg you, go find them.
They say they wise. You are a woman.
Come on.